I'm joined by Indiana State O-line coach Vince Natale. Let's talk about Alvin Clemens.
Alvin is a center that camped with us in one of our over the summer at our Indianapolis camp, and he outworked everybody at the camp. We're very responsive to coaching, which means a lot to me. Both our offensive line coach, myself, and our defensive line coach, Shannon Jackson, we voted him lineman of the camp, which is a big thing for us. So after watching his junior film once again and evaluating the kind of effort that he gave at our summer camp, we offered him after that point.
A little background about him. Where's he from?
Yeah, he's from another storied program in Detroit, Cass Tech, which is the home of Aaron Archie, one of our defensive linebacker coaches. So.
Excellent.
Big, the story behind Cass Tech is that they've been a very perennial powerhouse. They've been the last, I believe, over the last 3 years when Alvin's been on the team, they've either made it to state, made it to the semifinals, won state. So he's also played a lot of good football over his high school career.
What makes Alvin so good on the field?
What I see is him, again, being very physical at the line of scrimmage, very strong upper body, has to work a little bit on his lower body strength, but he's smart, which is something I learned from being able to coach him at our camp. But what you can see on film is that he's physically dominant at the line of scrimmage. He does move around very well, gets up to the second level, makes blocks there as well. So those are a lot of the things that we ask our center to do here, and I think will translate to the college game once he gets here.
Now, from your point of view, how important is it and how great is it to have these kids come to your guys' camps where you can evaluate them?
It's incomparable, the kind of experience and knowledge we can gain of them, once they come out and actually show us at their camp what they can do. Off of film, yes, you can see some of that stuff and you can judge or recruit off of that, but there's no comparing the ability to see it in person and see, asking a player to do something and then watching him do it, seeing that he understands exactly what you're asking him to do and then goes out and does it.
Any fun facts about Alvin?
Mother is an accountant, owns her own tax accounting business, so we did have some common ground when she came to visit, along with Alvin. And Alvin's going to be a business student and hopefully one day take over that business.
All right, well, hopefully he takes care of business on the field too as well. Looking forward to see what Alvin does with this year's 2016 signing day class.